老师来了吗？
来了，老师来啦
超时。
！Hello, Calvin. Hello, Kevin. Hello, Oliver. Hello, Vicky. 哟，好像 Vicky 很认真的。作业有多少小朋友没有交给我？来，自己老师交代。
老师，我做了。
对对，Calvin 我已经收到了，对不对？好，Andy 的我也都收到了。Andy 我已经批给你了，你看到了吗？Okay, so for people who's not very sure about the homework or has some problem, okay, Kevin, 你如果有不懂的，你可以在上课的时候直接 stop me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Oliver. So we're going to do the 5 minutes calculation first, and then we're doing today's thing. Okay, so oh, and later 我们要看一下我打 Calvin 屁股的视频。
真有啊！
对呀，fresh。
这次没有那么好。
OK，5、4、3、2、1，开始。
呃，
Calvin，你还在打嗝，你做完了没有？
我在录，老师好了。
OK，
妈妈，也许我找一个，也许我找一个，谁是为了
能不能静一下音啊？
好吧。I'm done.
还有没有？还有1分钟啊，大家慢慢做。 1 minute left。做完的小朋友检查一下啊。Okay, time is up, everybody. Time is up. Okay, so send me. 有好几个小朋友都做完了是吧？做的很快啊，这个题目有点难的呢，做的这么快。来，做完了小朋友拍个照片发给我啊。really dotted 到底做完了没有？Oliver 做完了吗？Vicky 是 OK，good。Andy 哦，Calvin，Kevin，
How do you send pictures to you? How do you?
你可以直接那个地方就是
那有个加号。
What?
哦呦，Oliver，你这个老痰啊，那感觉都是80、90岁的老公公了，都感觉。那怎么能拍照片呢？
就是你点聊天那里，就是你平常怎么给你发的，然后那左下角有个加号，然后点图片。
为什么我是 screenshot？我是 screenshot。
来来，我发一下。
Wait, where is it?
我也不知道，他们说可以发的。对啊，对啊。
I can't
是可
find
以
it.
发到。注
I don't know. I only have like screenshots.
Yeah, I only have screenshot. Vicky, where did you get it? Yeah, 你看 Oliver，我知道了，这样子发给我，OK。对对对，看到了吗？Kevin，Kelvin，你也可以，对对对，每个人发给我，快。Oliver 是对的。
怎么弄啊，老师？我这个 screenshot 在上面写着。
对，我也是 screenshot 呀。Oliver，你怎么弄的？你教我
I
们一
don't,
下。
I don't get it.
Yeah, I don't know how to get it.
So go on photo, go on photo booth, and then
Oh,
take a
okay.
picture, and then like just drag it out of photo booth, so it'll be a screenshot, and
Oh,
then
okay.
there's gonna be like some sort of like a
Okay, I got it.
piece of paper. And
So
then,
Kevin, you take a picture using a camera, take a picture of yourself and just click it and you screenshot it. Correct?
Well, I take a photo on what?
Of your of 就是你刚才做的那个题嘛. So you do it on the paper.
No, but how do I take a photo of it?
Yeah, like your camera, sorry. Your computer should have a camera on top of it, right?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So I guess you just are using that camera to take a picture of the thing.
差不多吧。
What?
那你下课发给我吧，Kevin，好不好
Is it okay? Is there supposed to be like
Yeah, okay. So,
Right.
yeah, 那现在只有 Oliver 一个人发给我。
我也发了。
哦，对对对，你这是什么呀？你这个是让我给你做的吗？
老师，
嗯哼，
我没有全部写下来，我只写了一点。
所以我跟你讲，你这个就不是全做完的，我就要跟你讲，你这种不老实的人，我等下回家作业就让你做100道。
老师，我是全做完的，我就是
I
没有
don't
写
believe
下
you。
来，我脑子里做的。
可以呀，不写
五
下来都不
二
算的，
七5258
没有做完都
1
没有
十
写下来都不算的。
64
没有写就不算。
对啊，没有写就不算。
93934212，然后老师没了。
不要理他，我们不要理他，OK？ So Andy, Kelvin, and Vicky, and Oliver. So we're going to still continue learning our lines, okay? So Oliver, there's a question Oliver said he doesn't know how to do it. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time discussing about some questions. Okay, so we learned, where's our homework? This is our today's thing. So there's a one question is called when the M is undefined, right, Oliver? There's a question like undefined, you don't know how to do it, correct? 等一下，我打开一下。
不需要那样啊，你讲单列，你大
Everybody,
不了
can
列不
you
动啊。
take a look at this one? Can you see this? Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So everything else is right and the sign. Oliver, 我跟你提个意见啊。所以这个世界上有一样东西啊，叫做尺子，英语名字叫什么呢？叫 ruler。OK，你看你这个图画的是一条线吗？像虫子一样扭啊扭啊扭的。OK，Kevin，you're the same. OK，Kelvin，you're the same. OK，and Andy，you're the same. 啊，Andy 还算直的。
我。
哎呀，你在我那边做的，对不对？有没有用尺画？没有，就是以后做这个题目都要用尺画，知道吧？
好嘞。
So I'm going to spend a little bit time discussing about that, okay, for the homework. So Kevin, I want you to take a look at this one, okay? When the teacher is telling you m equals 1 and x-intercept is -2 and 0, you can immediately find -0 here, correct? This is -0. What does it mean? What does x-intercept mean? It means that line is going through -2 and 0, this line, this dot. Okay, so with m equals 1, we can get what? So all the lines represent could be rated as y equals mx plus b. No matter what kind of line it is, it always can write it like that. So with m equals 1, so the equation is m equals x plus b. Do you understand? Okay, so how do we find b? Because b is available, we don't know. We just plug. This is x equals -2, y equals 0. So y equals 0, x equals -2 plus b. So you know b equals 2. So that's why this line is y equals x plus 2. So this line is y equals x plus 2. Okay, so Andy, if you want to get the perfect score, I would strongly suggest you put every single equation on top of this line. Can we understand? Okay, so that's the same thing. So this time is y-intercept, so it's 0, -3, so this one is here, so must go through this one. So again, this one is what? Can you give me the equation? When m equals -2, so can you give me the equation? Y equals what? Kevin?
Mm-hmm.
So
Kevin 还是 Kelvin？
So Kevin. So Kevin, can you tell me y equals what? So m equals -2, right? So it's negative 2x plus
Mhm.
b. Get it?
Yeah.
Then you
Wait.
plug this one. So y-intercept into this one. So x equals 0, y equals negative 3, correct? For this one?
Uh-huh.
So you plug them in. Negative 3 equals 0 plus b. Because negative 2 times 0 equals 0. So b equals what? B equals negative 3. So this equation you find out y equals negative 2x minus 3. Get it?
Yeah.
No, you don't get it. Which part you don't understand?
I
No, you
sort
get
of
it.
get it. It's
No,
like
you need to tell me which part you don't understand.
wait, for like the part where you like plug it in, which like is there like an order for that one?
So what does 0 and negative 3 represent? This is a value on x. This is a value on y. So I always plug the x value in x and the y value in y. And this one is the same. For the earlier one, it's negative 2 and 0. Do you understand what does an ordered pair mean? So in the coordinate system, they have 0 and 1. So that means what? When x equals 0 and y equals 1, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you have an equation of y equals, for instance, 2x plus b, right? So you
Yeah.
plug what? Y equals 1, so y is no more y is 1. And x is no more x is what? Is 0, so 2 times 0 plus b. So b equals what? B equals 1.
Oh.
B equals 1.
Get it, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so Oliver has a question that doesn't know. So m is undefined. So x is with the intercept with negative 4 and 0. So negative 4 and 0. So Oliver, 还有 carry 了 host 呢，还要在后面加个 host 呢，真不要脸。So m doesn't know. 如果 m 不知道，那我跟你讲 m 是什么关系啊？So m is determining, like this line is going to could be like that, could be like that. 对不对？可以是这样，也可以是这样，也可以是这样，也可以是这样。So when when m is not determined, this number cannot be cannot be determined as well. So there's no answer. Oliver, understand? So there's no answer for that one. So the rest of them are right, okay? So Kevin, I'm going to spend the last 2 minutes with you. So you need to be fully focused, okay? I want you to be fully focused. Let's take a look at the last one.
Well, for like the question that's undefined, isn't like the answer like infinite though?
No, the answer is, yeah, it's infinite, but this one is they ask you to write, they want you to draw a line. They want you to draw a line, but the thing is, it's impossible to determine a line without m. So the question is, yeah, the question is, they want you to draw the line out of the thing you like, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So m equals negative half, right? And they go through 5 and negative 4. So in order to find this line, immediately we have what? 5 and negative 4, right? So we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative 4. So it's this point. Correct? So this point we can find out. And this one is when x, sorry, I need to have a darker color. So x equals 5 and y equals negative 4, right? Get it? Okay, so I want you to, with m equals what, you can write it as y equals negative 1 over 2x plus b. So all we need to do is find out b based on whatever we have. So can you tell me the equation will be like what? Y is being replaced by what?
Why is it supposed to be like -4?
Very good. So x equals what?
X, wait. X is 5.
Yes, so plus b, right?
Yeah.
So negative 4 equals 5 over 2 plus b. So b equals negative 3 over 2. So that's the answer. So you have y equals negative half x minus 3/2. So with this one, you can find another one because you can just plug when y equals 0, x equals what? X equals -3. So it's -3, negative 3, 0. So you just connected these and you can define that one. Understand? Okay,
Mhm.
so very good. Okay, so basically, Andy did a really good job. Okay, Kevin, you did a good job. And BK,
嗯，
这不行啊，就是稍微不管。Okay, so
我
Kevin,
咋了？
你回来了。Oh, okay, 好。So let's take a look at this one. Remember when I told you, if you take a line, you ever take a line is looking like that. So that means m is smaller than 0, right? And when you have a 0 slope is like that. So the m is equals what? Equals 0, right? When you have a positive slope, this one is what? M is bigger than 0. So when you have an undefined slope, it's like that. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. When we have an M, so vertical changes over horizontal changes. So vertical is something like that. And horizontal is something like that. Okay, so usually if you want to copy this down, so the slope of M is equals to what? We have an equation here. The equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, everybody, please copy this down. The slope M of the line segment between two ordered pair is x1, x2, and x2, y, y2. So how do we see it? For instance, you have this one, have a 2, you have a line like that. 小朋友们抄下来了吗？Okay, so when we copy down, you can see on this line, there is A is -2, -4, B is 2, 2, and C is 4, 5, okay? So these 3 dots are located on the line. Vicky, copy it down. Okay, so Kelvin, how to calculate the slope of this line? Is using 5 minus 2 over 4 minus 2 equals 3/2. You have a good way, right? Can you tell us your good way? It's like counting the blocks. Do you want to share with us?
Me
Yeah.
for the slope?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh yeah. Yeah. So basically, for 1 point to 1 point, the horizontal, you count 1, 2, 2 blocks. When you
So we
count
just do this, right? 1,
1,
2,
2.
2,
But
2.
like I don't do this for like calculating the slope. I do this for drawing out the line.
That's the same thing.
No, but like
It's the same thing. You
easier.
can count, you can count
And
the
then
slope.
and then so that means that
It's
the
positive too, right?
it's positive 2 on the denominator, and
Mhm.
then when you go 1, 2, 3 up the
1,
vertical
2,
line,
3.
like the
It's
y-axis,
positive 3.
that means it's positive 3 on the numerator. So it's like m equals to 3/2.
3/2. Get it, everybody? So if you're really short of the time, Oliver and Kevin, if you want to check if you're on your number is right, how do you do this? You can just do 1, 2 because it's positive 2, and 1, 2, 3 is positive 3. So 3/2 is m. Okay. So there's also another one is like what? So if you're counting like this backwards, this is minus, and if you're counting down, it's negative. Correct, Calvin? Okay, everybody, did you find out? If you're counting from left to right is positive. If you're counting from bottom to up is positive. Why, everybody? If you take a look at this one, so on going up is getting bigger, right? But going down for the y-axis is getting smaller. Correct, Kevin?
Kevin, no, Kelvin.
Yeah, 我说的是 Kevin，我发音没有这么不准吗？我说的是 Kevin，然后你是 Kelvin。
老师听不太清楚，所以还是要确认一下。
那就叫他屁股好了，叫 Kelvin 以后叫屁股。
一个叫 Kelvin 一，一个叫
你叫
Kevin
屁股
二
老。师，我先来的呀，老师，我先来的。
可是 Kevin 没有被打过屁股啊，Kelvin 会打过屁股了呀，所以你叫屁股。
那就 Kelvin 一和 Kevin 二呗，
小一K1和 K2，好吧？
也可以啊。
Kelvin 叫 K 大，Kevin 叫 K 小，那个 K 小 K 大和 K 小，好吧？Kelvin 你先来的，你是 K 大，好吧？那 Kevin 是后来的，是 K 小，好吧
Who
？OK。
is older?
OK，好了，我们来看一下，所以大家记住了吗？So when you counting from right back to left, it is negative, and when you're counting from left to right, is positive. Get it? So this is very important, okay? And also I want you to write down because not always that they have the whole number. So if, for instance, they have a B is 2.7, okay, and 3, and C is 4.4 and 3.87，那你就不能 count 了嘛，对不对？K 大，对不对？像这种情况你就不能 K，就不能 K 大，不能 count 了。So you have to using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Get it, everybody? So both of the way I want you to understand. K 大你在看吗？我觉得你又在看别的东西了。
我在看，我在看。
记下来了吗？记下来了吗？Did you write it down?
我那个 slope 那个 y 那个二减 y 一记下来了。
说什么？
y 二减 y 一 x 二减 x 一那个记下来了。
记下来了，对吧？OK，好。So we're gonna see that, okay? So when you have a flat slope, that means your slope equals 0.
No,
If you have a horizontal one, that means your
that means y equals 0.
m is undefined, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So everybody, can you take a look at number A? This is a slope is positive, negative, or 0 or undefined. I want
Positive.
very good. It's positive. Okay. So if you forgot, 如果你在上课的时候或者考试的时候突然忘了 ，OK，K 小怎么办？老师跟你说一下啊。This is very easy to see from the graph. When m is bigger than 0, the increasing of x will lead the increasing of y. Okay, everybody, this is really important because everybody, when you're having test or whatever, you maybe you lost your mind. You say, I don't know what's going on. I just forget. So with the increasing of x, you can see x is 0, right? So this is when x is 0. This is when x is 1. 你看到这个 y 的 value 是不是在变大？ Okay, with m is bigger than 0, the increasing of x is leading the increasing of y. Okay, so let's take a look at B. B is negative, 0, positive, or undefined. Vicky, can you tell me number B?
I think it's 0.
Very good. Good job. Okay, number C. So number C, I want to ask Andy.
Undefined.
Very good. Last but not least, number D, K 大。
K 大。Number D is 那个 negative.
而且我们还能把它写出来。So y equals what? Negative x. Y equals negative x, okay? And also this line is called what? Y equals x. Okay, 这两个可以记下，到时候一看到，因为它就是把这个 x y 轴直接分开了 ，okay? So let's take a look at this one. Determine the slope of the following lines, okay? So this part is pretty easy. So 但是我要跟 Vicky, Andy, 大 K 小 K 啊 Oliver 说一下。It is very important for us to do this, okay?
Where's Jason?
Jason 今天去看朗朗了。
啥？
朗朗的钢琴。
朗朗啊，朗朗在加拿大温哥华有音乐会。
对啊。
哦。
朗朗来温哥华了。
对啊，你跟他熟吗？
我跟朗朗挺熟的。
真的呀？那你下次跟他说，让他到我们家来弹给我听。我不想，外面下雨不好。So let's take a look at this, okay? We have
太轻信了。
我是傻子。 Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 这个题目，小朋友们做的第一步啊，我们 step one 一定要记下来啊，为了全对。Step one, m is smaller than 0. Okay, I want you to have this one in your brain. So step two, find easy points. Understand, 小 K? 啊，不要去找那种什么 Oliver，不要说啊，我去找一个-1、-0.5什么的，不要。Try your best to find the 这个点刚好就是在哪里啊？在这个地方，你看 I drew this one and this one. Okay, everybody, after you picked it, you put the number beneath, around it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4x and positive 2y. And this one is 1, 2, 3, negative 3 and negative 1y. Get it? So we already have 2 points. So y minus negative 1 over negative 4 minus negative 3 equals 3 over negative 1 equals negative 3. Okay, this is m, right? You check your answer. Is it smaller than 0? Yes, so you get it right. So now you have y equals negative 3x plus b. So you pick any number, right? Okay, 我们说过 you pick any number, which one, it doesn't matter. So y equals 2. So x equals negative 3 times negative 4 plus b. So b equals negative 10. So we have the equation is y equals negative 3x minus 10. I know this question 根本就不要你把所有的做出来，它只让你算一个 slope 就行了。但是我们直接就把它做掉了，后面的作业就不用做，对不对？因为我们后面
是
那个
作业吗？
one of them, yeah, part of them 很简单。你看做这个题目很简单，对不对？那我们看下面 number C, okay? So number C, I want to ask Oliver. So for number C, step 1, m is bigger than 0, smaller than 0, equals to 0, or undefined. Number C.
Huh?
Number
Number
C,
C,
m is
M is bigger than 0.
very good, bigger than 0. Okay, so now you pick 2 points. So one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one is negative 1 and negative 2. So everybody, please give me the equation directly, okay? So send it to me by chat. Why 有那种订书机的声音？
啊，这个对吗？
我看一下啊。我跟你们讲，你们肯定都觉得，哎，我上课的时候我开小差时间过得比较快，其实不是的，你专心的时候时间过得飞快，一会儿就下课了，而且学了很多东西。真的，我每次很认真做题的时候，都觉得时间一快就过去了。Okay, so let's take a look at this one.
对吗？
你没发给我呀？
我发了，
你现在改名字了吗？没有啊，你就给我发了个 A 等于什么
我发给你一个，我看你对不对。
？A 我们又没有要求 A 了，我们要求的是 M 呀，然后求这个 equation 呀。
对啊，我知道呀，我不是给你，这就是 slope 呀，这个就是 slope。
slope 不是 A 呀，slope 是 M 呀，你这不能
知道，
乱打。
但是那是 A 题第 A 道题
我们现在在做 C 题了呀。
，same thing，我全部发给你。
哦，然后 A 的话是-3，你看这条线，它是什么？
哦，
你又
哦
你又数少了呀，你又数负的没数呀。我就跟你说，你这个数这个东西就很容易数那个，你知道吗？
我又没有说这个时候用数，我只在画线的时候用数。
哎呀，大小 K，你看大 K 皮不皮？你说要不要打屁股？来，我们那个来休息一下，先看一下打。
啊，老师，我题都没看完。
不给你看，我们先看那个
Which one's the host?
啊，host 是我，是 Oliver，可不要脸了。 Come
No,
on.
there's two.
Yeah,
Like
I know.
how
Oliver, change your name. You're so
The
quick.
light one. The light one.
OK，让我们先来看一下。
capital what?
Let's
老师，
just
我要
take a
看
look。我们一起看一下打 Kevin 屁股吧。One to go。
好卡呀！
哎呀，对，好的，就表演，看打屁股，打屁股，打屁股，看他们吗？看到，打屁股，打屁股。哎呀，我们家狗也来了。对，大家如果觉得是那个学习没有什么动力的时候，就可以出来看一下Kevin被打屁股的这个视频啊，都会觉得很快乐。
Kevin 被打屁股，不是小 K 被打屁股。
是小 K 被打屁，哎呀，我东西都没了。不能随便欺负小朋友，马上遭报应了，真是。Okay, so it's 3 and 4. This one is negative
老
1.
师，你薄饼你赚多少钱啊？
4块钱 I'm the lowest
我
one.
赚了65。
对啊，后来我都没拿，我觉得实在是太不开心。Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So we have m is bigger than 0, Oliver said, right? So let's take a look at the second one. Xiao K, can you tell me m equals what?
M equals
那不就是这个减这个吗？ So 4 minus negative 2, right? Over 3 minus negative 1. Get it?
yeah.
Okay, so equals 6 over 4, correct? Equals 3 over 2. Get it? So, and you check because this one's bigger than 0. And we, at the very beginning, we know that m is bigger than 0. So this one, big possibility, we get it right.
No, it is
Get it?
not.
不对吗？
Yes,
Wait.
it is.
So plus b. So this, after you get m, Kevin, you immediately put them back to replace m. So y equals 3 over 2x plus b. Correct, Andy?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you put it randomly put a number. So negative 2 equals 3 over 2 times negative 1 plus b. So negative 2 equals negative 3 over 2 plus b. So b equals negative 1 over 2.
Wait, is it like is y on top or is it m on top?
你
I mean,
啊
not
哪
on
个？
x. Wait,
你看啊，这种时候就真的，你看，既大 K 打屁股以后，小 K 也要到我们家来打屁股。我觉得真的打一打就好了。因为大 K 为什么会打屁股呢？就是因为他跟我说他一道题都不会做，我打完以后每道题都会做。哎，小 K，你要不要让你妈把你送到我家来，然后打一下屁股，真的很有用的，我跟你说。那我跟你讲啊，你还问我哪个是 X，哪个是 Y，你说我要不要打你
no, like which one?
？Three comes where? 3 is a measurement on axis. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a value of on axis, and this is a value on y-axis. So that's why this is x equals 3, and this is y equals 4. And this is x equals negative 1, and y equals negative 2. Get it?
No, I meant like the equation.
Which
Like the formula thing.
Which formula? This one?
No, like the
Oh,
n
m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 我这里抄下来的呀。我跟你说，你铁定让我抄下来。
Oh, I did. Oh, I did copy.
Yeah.
老师，我卡了，我啥都听不见。
哦，Andy，你跟 Vicky 一起上课吧。
Why?
Because she cannot hear me. She said.
That's not my fault.
哎呀，你们两个人怎么这样？哎，你说你们以后长大了会不会互相打来打去？
当然啊，现在就打来打去。
我说长大了以后会不会就不打了？
应该还会打吧。
哎，Kelvin，你跟你姐姐打架吗？
这个因为年龄关系，那个有点不一样，你知道吗？情况不一样。
嗯，哎，那我问你，Oliver，你跟你妹妹打架吗？
Not really.
不打呢。
It's mostly my sisters fight. My sisters fight with each other.
哦，对啊，就是一样大的就会打，是吧？一样大的就会打。
Nothing to do with me.
Okay, got it. So Kevin, understand? So it's y2 minus y1. So when is y2? 这个如果是 y2，这个就是 x2，这个是 y1，这个就是 x1。那如果你愿意把这个当成 y1，那这个就是 x1，这个是 y2，这个就是 x2。Understand? So they're coming like set. Okay, everybody, I think you all understand how to do it, right? We're not going to
Yes.
spend any more time. This is pretty easy. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this time, so sometimes the data is coming, the earlier question, the data coming on the graph, and sometimes they directly give you the data. So for 小 k， 你如果不太搞得清楚，你就把这里 x1、y1 写好 ，x2、y2 写好，这样你不就可以把这个东西直接就弄出来了，对不对 ？OK， 那有些小朋友像大 K， 他的问题是什么呢？大 K 的
我没
问题
问题，
做的太快 ，OK，do
老师没
everything。
问题，老师我没问题。
好，我们说大 K 没问题啊。好，我们来看一下啊，来，小朋友们来看一下 number F 和 number H。来，我看如果有人做错的，big possibility 就是大 K。Number F and number H. Oliver, Calvin, Kevin, and Andy and Vicky, please send me the answer by chat. Number
Wait.
F and number H.
Find the slope of the line.
Hey, Bacon. Goody 在哪儿？
口里带了。
嘿，
然后老师不想发给全部人。
还有一道题呢，两道题啊。Bacon，
哪个是老师啊？
我改名了。
有3个 carry 了，
对呀、他们可不要脸了，我跟你说。
不是我要发给哪一个啊？
我是
老师，你改个名吧。
是 True Carry 罗，快，码住我！
Wait,
我
what?
看见了，true carry 了。
It's two. Two carry loop.
对呀、
嗯
好了，现在又有2个 True Carry，你就赶快找到我，
There's three now.
就不要
老师，我又找不到了。
你就把那个弄得只跟我一个人说话呀。
I think it's this one. Oh,
我是找不到了，真正的 true carry 了。
真的呀，哎呀，算了，
老师你快点改名，在他们改改
啊，好，
名之前改
找到了，是那个叫1的吧？
对
好，嘿嘿，找到了。
，OK， so let's take a look at this one，OK？、
不是老师，我还有一道题，然后现在又找不到了。
那你们先做，我过会儿马上改一下，在他们之前改。
不是，
你管你弟弟啊，揍他一顿。我们愿意看你直播揍弟弟的。We want to see Vicky beat Andy。
好的，老师现在就可以下去。
哎，你们觉得 Vicky 会赢还是 Andy 会赢？
Andy，肯定 Andy。
肯定 Andy 吧。
There is no doubt。
我觉得肯定是 Vicky，因为 Andy 不能打女生，男生不能打女生啊。
谁说的？
老师现在就下去了啊！我
你做完了，你把题做完了再下去。
没事儿，我现在就下去。
one equals.
就找不到了。你们听到吗 ？Andy 把声音关掉了，被 Vicky 暴揍，然后声音关掉。哎呀，Andy，把你的那个摄像头打开，让我看一下你跟 Vicky 打架的事儿。我们都想凑凑热闹。Okay, so let's see. 3 minus -2 over -3 minus 3. So the first answer is 5 over 6 negative. 来，我看一下啊，我看一下大 K 对不对？
大 K 必须对的。大
Andy
K
是对的。
大 K 呢？
老师叫我在摸鱼。
对呀、他在摸鱼啊。 好，那个大 K 错了呀，你看
哪个？
你是第一个发给我的，你是错的呀，我就
为啥
跟？你说，
哦，-6，所以是6/5。
那你要自己做一下的呀。我跟你讲，你们最容易出错的是什么？我们小朋友们，我跟你们说，怕错怎么办？把 y 和 x 列出来，所以 3, -3 and -2 and 3. Get it? So x y minus 上面减下面是不是等于5？这个减这个是等于-6，所以等于负的6/5。我跟你讲，这道题目只有 Andy 一个人做对的，所有的人都错。哦，现在哎，对啊，这个一是谁？一是 Oliver 还是 Andy？
一不是老师吗？What? Wait. Well, I think I sent it to the.
你们好烦呀
Hold
！OK，
on.
好好，我们下面来看下面一题啊。那下面这个容易一点，对不对？因为 y 和 y 是一样的，所以你知道它是一条竖的，所以什么？对，这个 y 都是-1，是横的这条线，所以 m 等于0，这个比较简单啊。OK，再做一个啊。我发觉你们这个只要一看到一复数就很头晕，你们这种人。
No。
So let's
什么
take
叫我们这种人啊？
OK，好，Number G，Number G，只做一题，Number G。
哈，老师，我这次肯定对了。
I hope so. Save your butt,
这
OK？
所有的名字都变了。
我们是一班，我们是小一班，全班同学都叫一，我也不知道到底是谁做的。现在只有大 K 一个人把答案给我了。那
Yeah。
有一个小朋友发给我的答案是-7 over -9啊，我想问一下，-7 over -9是什么东西啊？谁让你们把负放在上面的啊？我也不想说啥了啊。我觉得这个我以后要开辆车，然后去你们每一个小朋友家里面就打一顿。哎，Vicky，你们是不是下个星期要来温哥华啦？
啊，对，
对啊，那我们什么时候那个表演一下，一次性打2个小朋友的屁股呗？
那就大可不必了。
没有，我不介意的，我辛苦一点没关系。
老师辛不辛苦，我倒是没关系，但是我不想。
我跟你妈妈谈一谈，我们小朋友肯定特别想看，然后录下来，然后双打叫什么？这个叫双打。
老师，我答案对吗？
这次对了
哦，太棒了。
，OK，所以8
我
减
竟然还能认出来谁是谁呀、
这8减1是不是等于7？你就给 everybody 算了。那6减-3，对不对？所以等于7 over 9。那为什么有人是-7 -9呢？这很正常，因为它是用1去减8的，1去减8是不是就-7，对不对？-3 -6 -9，对的。那这个要约分，so 7 over 9呀，对不对？这个-7 over -9，我也不知道是谁，反正呢，不是 Vicky 就是 Andy，不是 Andy 就是 Oliver，
不是我，
这边就是大 K，我不知道，反正你们名字都一样的，I don't care。
我你看，
I
只
don't
有
know，
大
I don't
K
know
现在名字是真正的名字，我的名字其实不是真正的名字，但是呢，我是可以认出来的。
对啊，OK，好，我们现在来看一下，OK，so now let's move forward to the part that everybody hates the most，因为我觉得我们很多小朋友，哎，做题都可以的，对不对？啊，一到应用题就开始蒙圈，觉得哎呀，不知道它的，哎，我为什么这么小呢？OK，yeah，这个好，OK。If one line has a slope of -4，好，看到这句话，小朋友们怎么样？m equals -4，写好了，对不对？And another line has a slope of 3. Okay, m1 equals 4 and m2 equals 3. Which line is steeper at y? Okay, everybody think about it and tell me. 那我给你们一个铺吧，你们来选一下。如果是 A 的话，选 A 的话就是 M1 is steeper， 选 B 的话就是 M2 is steeper， 好不好？
老师，我题还没看完。
我不是给你读了吗？都
A 是啥？
A 是
A 是这个是 steeper，B 是这个是 steeper。
老师能不能别晃啊？
Then what's C and D?
Sorry，我不知道为什么我的电脑就开始发神经病。
Wait, what's C and D in the poll?
没有，怎么会有人没有选项 C 和 D？
Yeah,
So
there is.
if you choose M, the first line is steeper, you choose A. If the second line is steeper, you
I
choose
can't
B.
submit the poll. It said there's an error code 131000.
啊，怎么会 ？OK，那个选 C 的人啊，我不知道这个人是什么有病啊，没有选项啊。OK， so only A and B. OK, so let's take a look at this one. Remember, last class I told you. OK, when M is the absolute value of M is bigger, it is more steeper. Okay, so -4, the absolute value is 4. 3 absolute value is 3. So 4 is more steeper. So A is the right answer. Get it, everybody? Okay, get it? Okay, good job. Okay, so now let's take a look at. So 你看，我们有一个小朋友选 C 的，是吧？
谁选的 C 呀、
So let's take a look at number 8. Explain how. Oh, sorry, number 7. Sorry. Number 7. In calculating the slope between 7, 3, 1, 2, and one student calculated as 3 negative 2 divided by 7, 3 minus 2 divided by 7 minus 1. Another student calculated 2 minus 3 divided by 1 minus 7. Are they both correct? Or you think the first one's correct? You think the second one's correct? Okay, let's do
老
this.
师，我
Okay,
去上个厕所。
A 是 OK，A 是第一个人对的 ，OK。B 是第二个人对的 ，C 是1和2都对，然后 D 是1和2都不对，好吧？我们还是有谱的。嗯嗯，
Where's the poll?
老师没有那个问
好，
卷啊。
出来了。
哦，找到了。
嗯哼。
I can't see the question.
Number 7， 不是在这儿吗？
No, like the poll is covering it.
真的吗？You can move the poll.
You can?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
You click like the top of the thing, and then you drag it. Wait, which one's which?
Number A 是第一个小朋友对 ，B 是第二个小朋友对 ，C 是2个小朋友都对 ，D 是2个小朋友都不对。
Oh.
I still can't see the question.
可怜死了 Oliver， 我把你弄
Can
小
I
一
just
点。
guess?
哦，也现在能看到吗？
Nope.
那你要不要退出去再来进来一次
Can I just guess?
？OK，you guess，you guess， 可以。主打的就是一个凭运气，是不是 ，Oliver？
说不定你能蒙对呢。
对啊，说不定能不对。好，我们4个小朋友都要 Kelvin 去上厕所了，OK？OK，好，我们看看啊，我们的选择，everybody 有1个小朋友选了第1个小朋友是对的，另外3个小朋友选了第2个小朋友是对的。我觉得 Oliver 好像是压的 B，对吧？OK，so let's take a look at this one. We have 7, 3 and 1, 2, right？那很简单，那就是3减2 over 7减1，对不对？或者呢，2减3 over 1减7，对不对？好，那我们看3减2除以7减1，哎，对了。后面呢，2减3除以1减7，对了。所以2个小朋友都对啊。So the answer is C. Congratulations, nobody get it right. 啊
喂，
呀，我就不想理你们。哎呦喂，啊，我跟
I
你讲，
didn't see the question. If I saw the question, I would have done the correct one.
那你现在能看到题了吗？哎，别个 OK，小 K 啊，我给你一个建议，OK，I give you some suggestions，小 K，小 K，你做题的时候你要这样啊，你老老实实的，x1 equals 7，y1 equals 3，x2 equals 1 and y2 equals 2. Okay, don't trust yourself too much. Okay, so if you have that, so it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So it's 2 minus 3 over 1 minus 7. Okay, 这样你就永远不会错了。Can you get it? Okay. 好，现在啊，explain how you could show that. Okay, how about like that? I don't explain like that. Everybody, I give you 3 points, A, B, and C. Please calculate the area of the shape. Please calculate the area of ABC.
I am still looking at the poll, so I can't see the questions.
哦，我把 poll 关掉吧，这样能不能看到？
The poll is still open.
啊，我已经关掉了呀。
左上角有一个关闭，
对呀，你可以
点一下
把它关掉的呀。
You can?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there supposed to be like a button?
你要不要退出去，Oliver？要不然
You
你
can just Alt and F4.
I'll just leave.
他也没走啊，你看他还在里面，
卡了呗。
卡了
Just
呗。
Alt and F4.
哦，他又进来了，然后他那个原来的那个还在。哎，Kelvin 去哪儿了？大 K 上个厕所掉马桶里了吧？哎，我给你们看一个，今天有一个骗子来给我发消息，你们看一下。
发啥？
他跟我说这个骗子可搞笑了，我发给你看啊，我发给你们看。
哇，
你看，我先
骗
share。
子哎！
Kelvin 回来了吗？真的掉马桶里面去了，天，掉马桶里面去。我给你们看啊，我先 stop sharing，给你们看，有一个人就是骗子嘛，他说，你看，他跟我说，他说 ，Hi mom, my phone fell into the toilet. I have messed up big time. Message me on my new number. Blah blah blah. Okay, you can get it yourself. Dive in toilet and enjoy.
他手机掉马桶里，他怎么给你发消息？
有一个
笑死了！
跟他说你自己掉进马桶里自己去找吧。You can dive into the toilet and enjoy it. 那死骗子，
笑死了！哦，之前我
哇
同学接到一诈骗电话，对方跟他说，就是我同学跟我一样大嘛，我当时回中国的时候，有个骗子给他打电话说，您的孩子还有26节编程课哪里哪里没有上。
啊，对对对，然后你同学说什么？你说我孩子还在天上飘呢。哦，然后以前有个诈骗的人来跟我说什么？哎呀，王女士，你现在忙吗？我找你找到。哦，对对对，我找你，你现在可以看到了。哎呀，Karen 回来了，我们都怕你掉到厕所里去了呢。好，然后那个，哎，你怎么掉出去了，Vicky？你在干嘛？
啥？
I can't what? I can't 什么 audio 啊？I can't join audio. The pool is blocking. 他的 pool 还在里面，我去，他的 pool 还在， 那这样子吧，我们把整个关掉，重新来一遍，好吧？我们为
咋
Oliver
了？发生啥了？发生啥了？
Oliver 看不到我们，你看他说 I cannot join audio because the phone is blocking it。我现在全部关掉，你们重新进来一下啊，我全部关掉。
好。